Hold on to your hats, folks, because the future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. We're talking self-driving cars, robots that can write poetry, and computers that diagnose diseases better than human doctors. Remember AlphaGo, the AI that defeated a world champion Go player? That was DeepMind. Or how about AlphaFold, which cracked the code of protein folding? Yeah, DeepMind again. Now DeepMind is setting its sights on an even bigger prize, the human brain. With its latest project, aptly named AI BRAIN, DeepMind is on a mission to unlock the secrets of our most complex organ. Get ready for a wild ride as we explore the cutting edge of AI and neuroscience. Let's face it, Google is already pretty good at knowing what we're thinking, right? But with DeepMind, they're taking it to a whole new level. Founded in 2010, DeepMind is a team of brilliant minds, computer scientists, neuroscientists, engineers, all united by a common goal: to create artificial intelligence that can solve real-world problems. DeepMind is tackling some of the biggest challenges facing humanity, like healthcare, climate change, and energy consumption. They're using AI to develop new drugs, design more efficient solar panels, and even predict earthquakes. With its track record of groundbreaking achievements, DeepMind is leading the AI revolution. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, AI BRAIN. This isn't just another AI project. It's a bold attempt to create an artificial intelligence that mimics the structure and function of the human brain. Imagine being able to simulate the human brain on a computer. AI BRAIN could revolutionize our understanding of neurological disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, leading to new treatments and even cures. By building artificial neural networks that learn and adapt like our own brains, DeepMind hopes to unlock the secrets of intelligence itself. Okay, so we've established that DeepMind is on a mission to build an artificial brain. Instead of trying to replicate the brain atom by atom, DeepMind is taking a more abstract approach. They're using artificial neural networks, which are computer programs inspired by the structure of the human brain. By tweaking the connections between these digital neurons, DeepMind can train AI BRAIN to perform specific tasks, just like teaching a dog new tricks. AI BRAIN doesn't just follow instructions, it learns and adapts on its own. Release. Balz. Now, let's zoom in a little closer and examine the building blocks of AI BRAIN artificial neurons. These digital doppelgangers of their biological counterparts are the key to unlocking artificial intelligence. In AI BRAIN, artificial neurons mimic the process of biological neurons digitally. Each neuron receives input signals, performs a simple calculation, and decides whether to fire its own signal based on the results. When millions or even billions of these neurons are connected in intricate networks, they can perform incredibly complex tasks. So, we've got these digital neurons, all wired up and ready to fire. AI BRAIN, like any good student, learns through experience. DeepMind feeds it massive amounts of data, images, text, videos, and lets it loose to find patterns and make connections. As AI BRAIN processes this data, the connections between its neurons strengthen or weaken, a process called synaptic plasticity. The more data AI BRAIN consumes, the more it learns, and the more intelligent it becomes. With AI BRAIN, we're not just building an artificial intelligence, we're creating a powerful tool for understanding our own minds. By simulating the brain in the digital realm, DeepMind is opening up new avenues for scientific discovery. They can study how different parts of the brain interact, test theories about consciousness and cognition, and even simulate the effects of brain injuries or diseases. This is huge. For decades, neuroscientists have been limited by the complexity of the human brain. Now, with AI Brain, they have a powerful new tool at their disposal. All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, your brain. It's not just a squishy lump in your head, it's the most complex structure in the known universe. Your brain is home to a staggering 86 billion neurons. Each neuron is like a tiny computer, processing information and communicating with other neurons through a vast network of connections. It's this intricate web of connections that gives rise to your thoughts, emotions, and everything that makes you, well, you. Now, imagine each of those trillions of connections as a tiny spark, a burst of electrical and chemical activity. These sparks are the language of your brain, the way neurons talk to each other. These synaptic conversations are highly organized, following specific patterns and pathways that have been shaped by your experiences, memories, and everything you've ever learned. The more you use certain neural pathways, the stronger those connections become, making it easier for information to flow along those routes. Every experience, every thought, every emotion leaves its mark on the brain, sculpting the synaptic landscape and shaping who we are. Okay, so we've got billions of neurons, trillions of connections, and a constant symphony of synaptic activity. It's enough to make your head spin, right? No wonder scientists have been trying to map the human brain for decades. It's a daunting task, but one that's essential if we want to understand the full complexity of the human mind. By simulating the brain in the digital realm, DeepMind is giving scientists a powerful new tool for mapping the mind. It's like having a Google Maps for the brain, allowing us to navigate its intricate pathways and unlock its deepest secrets. Now, here's something truly mind-blowing. Your brain is not static. Instead, it's constantly changing, adapting, and rewiring itself in response to your experiences. Scientists call this neuroplasticity, and it's one of the most remarkable properties of the human brain. AI Brain is helping scientists unlock the secrets of neuroplasticity. This means we could potentially harness the power of neuroplasticity to enhance learning, improve memory, and even treat neurological disorders. All right, so we've got this digital brain, AI Brain, ready to soak up knowledge like a sponge. DeepMind is using a powerful technique called machine learning, essentially training AI Brain to learn from data, just like our own brains do. AI Brain learns from massive data sets of information. As AI Brain processes this data, it adjusts the connections between its artificial neurons, strengthening some and weakening others. The more data it consumes, the better it gets at recognizing patterns, making predictions, and even generating its own creative output. Machine learning, teaching a digital brain to think. Let's dive into the nuts and bolts of machine learning. It's not just about showing AI brain data. DeepMind uses specific algorithms to guide AI Brain's learning. One technique is supervised learning. Imagine teaching AI Brain to distinguish between cats and dogs. Show it thousands of labeled images. AI Brain analyzes these images for patterns. Another technique is reinforcement learning. Think of it like training a dog with treats. AI Brain is rewarded for correct predictions. DeepMind might challenge AI Brain with games. These are a few machine learning techniques DeepMind uses. Feeding the AI beast. What does AI brain need to thrive? Data, my friends, mountains of data. Just like we need food, AI brain needs data to learn. Massive data sets, petabytes of information. Every time you browse the internet or post on social media, you're generating data, constantly feeding AI brain with new information. Quality matters too. Data must be accurate and relevant. It's a never-ending quest for data, driving AI brain's evolution. Section 4. From imitation to innovation. AI brain's emerging intelligence. Is AI brain mimicking the human brain, or developing its own unique intelligence? Philosophers, scientists, and writers are buzzing with excitement and trepidation. As AI brain consumes more data, its neural networks become more complex. It's starting to exhibit signs of emergent intelligence. AI brain is making unexpected connections and surprising its creators. It's moving beyond imitation, venturing into innovation, discovering new patterns, making surprising predictions, and generating creative output. AI brain is pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence, making the future of intelligence much more interesting. Section 1. Neuroplasticity, the brain's amazing ability to rewire itself. Buckle up, brain enthusiasts, because we're about to dive into one of the most fascinating aspects of neuroscience, neuroplasticity. Remember that old saying, you can't teach an old dog new tricks? Well, when it comes to your brain, that's utter nonsense. Your brain is not some rigid, unchanging organ. It's more like a super flexible, constantly evolving network, capable of rewiring itself throughout your life. This incredible ability, known as neuroplasticity, is what allows you to learn new skills, adapt to new environments, and even recover from brain injuries. Think of your brain like a bustling city. Every time you learn something new, it's like constructing a new road in that city. The more you travel that road, the more established it becomes, making it easier and faster to get to your destination. Similarly, the more you engage in a particular activity or thought pattern, the stronger the neural connections associated with that activity become. It's like building a mental superhighway for your thoughts. Section 2. Unlocking the secrets of learning and memory. Now, let's talk about learning and memory, two of the most fundamental functions of the brain, and how AI brain is shedding new light on these mysterious processes. For centuries, scientists have been trying to crack the code of how we learn and remember, and AI brain is proving to be an invaluable tool in this quest. Imagine being able to observe the brain in action as it forms new memories, witnessing the intricate dance of neurons and synapses as information is encoded and stored. With AI brain, that dream is becoming a reality. By simulating different learning scenarios and analyzing the resulting changes in the artificial neural networks, DeepMind researchers are gaining unprecedented insights into the mechanisms of learning and memory. They can observe how different types of learning, such as repetition, association, and reward-based learning, affect the brain's wiring. These insights are not just theoretical. They have the potential to revolutionize how we approach education, training, and even rehabilitation after brain injuries. Imagine being able to personalize learning plans based on an individual's unique brain wiring, or developing new therapies that enhance memory and cognitive function. The possibilities are mind-boggling. AI brain to the rescue, revolutionizing treatments for brain disorders. AI brain is poised to revolutionize the way we diagnose, treat, and prevent brain disorders. Think Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, stroke, epilepsy. These conditions affect millions, burdening healthcare systems. AI BRAIN offers new hope for patients and families. Imagine creating a personalized digital twin of a patient's brain. AI BRAIN could develop early detection systems for brain disorders. It's a bold vision, but increasingly plausible thanks to AI BRAIN. The ethical frontier, navigating AI and the brain. AI BRAIN raises profound ethical questions. We're delving into our thoughts, emotions, and memories. Privacy is a major concern. Can it read our thoughts or predict actions? Bias is another challenge. AI BRAIN could perpetuate societal biases. Who decides access to this technology? These are just a few ethical dilemmas. The future of intelligence is in our hands. AI-powered healthcare. The future is now. Fasten your seatbelts, folks, because healthcare is about to get a turbocharged upgrade, courtesy of AI BRAIN. Faster diagnoses, more effective treatments, and even preventing brain disorders. AI BRAIN is shifting the paradigm, empowering proactive healthcare. Imagine a digital twin of your brain for personalized treatment. The future AI BRAIN is building is closer than you think. Personalized healthcare, tailored to your brain's unique wiring. Diagnosis on demand. AI BRAIN as your personal medical sleuth. Let's face it, diagnosing brain disorders can be a bit like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. The symptoms can be subtle, overlapping, and easily mistaken for other conditions. But AI BRAIN is here to lend its digital detective skills to the challenge. Imagine AI BRAIN as a tireless medical sleuth, combing through mountains of data, brain scans, genetic information, medical records, even your smartphone's activity log, to uncover hidden patterns and clues that might escape even the most experienced human doctors. AI BRAIN can detect subtle changes in brain activity that might signal the early stages of Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, or even mental health conditions like depression and anxiety. It can also help identify patients who are most likely to respond to certain treatments, ensuring that they receive the most effective care possible. This early detection is crucial. The earlier a brain disorder is diagnosed, the better the chances of slowing its progression or even reversing its effects. AI BRAIN is giving us a powerful new tool to fight back against these debilitating conditions, offering hope and a chance at a brighter future for millions of people worldwide. Personalized medicine. Tailor-made treatments for your unique brain. Remember the days when everyone with a headache got the same over-the-counter pain reliever? Thankfully, medicine has come a long way since then. But when it comes to treating brain disorders, we're still relying on a somewhat one-size-fits-all approach. That's all about to change, thanks to AI BRAIN. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and simulate the brain's intricate workings, AI BRAIN is paving the way for personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to your unique brain and its individual quirks. Imagine receiving a medication that's been specifically designed for your brain chemistry, or undergoing a brain stimulation therapy that's been calibrated to target the precise neural circuits involved in your condition. That's the power of personalized medicine, and AI BRAIN is making it a reality. This personalized approach is not just about increasing the effectiveness of treatments. It's also about reducing side effects and improving the overall patient experience. By tailoring treatments to the individual, we can minimize the risk of unwanted side effects and ensure that patients receive the most beneficial care possible. AI BRAIN and the rise of brain-computer interfaces. Hold on tight, because we're venturing into science fiction turned reality. BCIs let humans control machines with thoughts and experience virtual realities. AI Brain is accelerating our progress towards this future. By decoding brain signals, AI Brain helps develop intuitive BCIs. Imagine controlling prosthetic limbs or communicating through thoughts. AI Brain is making these possibilities tangible. It's a future that's both exhilarating and daunting, with AI Brain leading the charge. Section 1. AI Brain. Breaking news from the forefront of neuroscience. Hold on to your hats, folks, because the AI Brain project is on fire, making headlines faster than a cheetah on a caffeine rush. The world is waking up to the revolutionary potential of AI Brain, and the news is buzzing with exciting developments, groundbreaking discoveries, and tantalizing glimpses into the future of neuroscience. Remember those sci-fi movies where scientists gather around glowing screens, analyzing complex data and making mind-blowing breakthroughs? Well, that's what's happening right now with AI Brain. DeepMind's researchers are publishing their findings in prestigious scientific journals, presenting at international conferences, and generally blowing the minds of the scientific community with their innovative use of AI to unravel the mysteries of the brain. It seems like every week there's a new study showing how AI Brain is outperforming traditional methods in diagnosing brain disorders, identifying potential drug targets, and even predicting patient outcomes. It's like having a crystal ball for the brain, and the implications for healthcare are nothing short of revolutionary. Section 2. DeepMind's Dream Team, joining forces with the world's leading neuroscientists. Now, you might think that a company like DeepMind, with its army of brilliant engineers and computer scientists, could just go it alone in its quest to unlock the secrets of the brain. But DeepMind knows that collaboration is key, especially when you're tackling a challenge as complex as the human brain. That's why DeepMind has assembled an all-star team of collaborators, partnering with some of the world's leading neuroscience research centers, hospitals, and universities. Think of it like the Justice League of brain science, with DeepMind's AI prowess joining forces with the clinical expertise and research capabilities of these renowned institutions. These collaborations are already bearing fruit, with joint research projects exploring everything from the early detection of Alzheimer's disease to the development of personalized treatments for epilepsy. By combining their expertise, DeepMind and its partners are accelerating the pace of discovery, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in neuroscience, and bringing us closer to a future where brain disorders are no longer a cause for fear and despair. AI Brain versus mental health. A new era of understanding and treatment. Mental health has long been shrouded in stigma and misunderstanding. AI Brain offers new hope for millions struggling with mental health challenges. Diagnosis often relies on subjective interpretation. AI Brain provides a more objective, data-driven approach. Analyzing brain scans and genetic data, it identifies subtle biomarkers. This could revolutionize mental health care. AI Brain also helps develop personalized treatments. It's a new era of data-driven, compassionate care. The dawn of a new era in brain science. We're on the precipice of a new era in brain science, where artificial and biological intelligence blur. Sci-fi stories of brain-computer interfaces are becoming reality. Projects like AI Brain are making those fantasies real. We're witnessing a paradigm shift in neuroscience. AI Brain is a collaborator in unraveling brain mysteries. It's like a telescope for the mind, offering unprecedented clarity. As AI Brain evolves, incredible discoveries await us. The ethical tightrope balancing innovation and responsibility. With great power comes great responsibility. As we venture deeper into AI and brain science, we must proceed with caution and humility. The ethical dilemmas posed by AI brain are real and urgent. AI can read thoughts, predict actions, and manipulate behavior. We need clear ethical guidelines and public dialogue to ensure AI brain is used for good. It's a future we must actively work to prevent. By promoting ethical AI development, we can shape a future where AI brain enhances our lives. Section 3. AI Guru Guide. Your compass in the age of intelligent machines. As we navigate this exciting, uncertain, and frankly mind-blowing era of intelligent machines, it's more important than ever to stay informed, engaged, and critically aware of the implications of AI in our lives. That's where the AI Guru Guide comes in. We're your trusted source for demystifying the complex world of AI, separating hype from reality, and exploring the profound impact of this transformative technology on our world. From the latest breakthroughs in AI research to the ethical dilemmas posed by intelligent machines, we'll be your guides, your translators, and your thought-provoking companions on this extraordinary journey into the future of intelligence. We believe that knowledge is power, and by empowering ourselves with a deeper understanding of AI, we can make informed decisions, advocate for responsible AI development, and shape a future where intelligent machines work alongside us, not against us. So, stay tuned, stay curious, and join us as we continue to explore the frontiers of AI, unlock the secrets of the human mind, and navigate the ethical challenges of this brave new world. The future of intelligence is in our hands, and together we can ensure that it's a future worth creating.